Once osseointegration has taken place, the healing cap is removed and the interior of the implant cleaned thoroughly. The solid abutment is then screwed into the thread inside the implant with the inserting device and tightened with a ratchet and torque control device while being countered with a locking key. Although a torque of 35 Newton-centimeters is recommended for the abutment, this can be varied according to the prevailing clinical conditions. The impression cap is then placed over the abutment and snapped into place on the implant shoulder. The correct positioning cylinder for the abutment should be pressed onto the stop in the impression cap. The impression should be taken with an elastomeric impression material in a custom impression tray. This shows the impression with the impression cap and positioning cylinder. The solid abutment can be fitted with a protective cap or ready-made temporary acrylic crown while the superstructure is being fabricated in the laboratory. The correct type of transfer pin is placed in the impression in the dental laboratory. The shoulder can be heard to lock into place. A gingival mask must be used to ensure that the crown is contoured correctly. The working model is cast using standard techniques and high-strength stone. This shows the working model with transfer pin and gingival mask. The correct plastic cap for the planned superstructure should be selected, pressed onto the transfer pin until it locks into place, and reduced to the level of the abutment. The coping is then waxed up as usual. After casting, the lock mechanism must be removed with a finishing burr or silicone polisher before seating the cast coping on the transfer pin. The coping is then trimmed and the facing added to reproduce the natural tooth anatomy. The metal ceramic crown is cemented in the dental practice using a suitable cement. The ITI dental implant system creates the most attractive aesthetics possible and yet conserves natural tooth structure.